In Gujarat's Devbhoomi Dwarka district, a 3-day demolition drive has left thousands of people homeless. Announced by Gujarat's Home Minister Harsh Sanghvi, the operation targeted over 20 islands in the Saurashtra region, including Bet Dwarka, Oka, and Perota. The government reports claims that 24,000 square feet of land valued at 35 crore rupees was reclaimed during the drive. The Home Minister took to social media to announce the success of the demolition drive. According to officials, the demolished structures included homes, commercial establishments, and religious sites. But notably, almost all the people who have lost their homes, primarily Muslim fishermen, tell a different story. The operation also witnessed the demolition of 36 Islamic religious structures, including mazars, mosques, and the 1,200-year-old Hazrat Pir Gunj Dargah, a protected structure under the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act 1958. The state government defended its action, with Superintendent of Police Niyesh Pandey stating that the Hazrat Panj Pir Dargah was located on land owned by the Gujarat Maritime Board. A total of 24,000 square feet of government land valued at 35 crore rupees was reclaimed after the success drive, he added. However, community leaders and organizations have alleged that the demolition drive specifically targeted the Muslim community. Mujahid Nafees, convener of the Minority Coordination Committee, has written to Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel urging him to address the situation.